2023 Nissan Altima SV. Going to show you how to reset the maintenance intervals on this vehicle. Going to press the start stop button here one time, not have my foot on the brake or anything like that. Don't want to start the vehicle. I am going to go here. I'm going to use these buttons here to scroll. So if you can see here on the dash, I just keep scrolling with this to where it takes me here to here, and I want to go over to the settings, which is on the far right. So I scroll all the way over, and then when I'm there, I go down to maintenance, go oil control system, reset by pressing OK, yes, and then I can go back, I can go back down to maintenance, and I can do the tire, and you can adjust it accordingly this way. We'll just keep it at 5,000 miles. I just did the rotation, so that's fine. Whoops. But you can see, you can adjust everything you need here, or reset everything through the maintenance setting here, and you'll see that this has been reset as well. So it's easy to do. Just go through and reset each one. You can actually adjust the miles, how far between you want the interval. So easy to do. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.